Hi, I'm Beck, and I'm a product manager here at Niantic Spatial. At Niantic Spatial, we are creating a living model of the world that people and machines can talk to. And today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the newest products that we've launched. We have recently launched the latest version of Scaniverse. Scaniverse is a web and mobile platform that captures 3D spaces to generate visual positioning maps, meshes, and Gaussian splats. We're also launching the latest version of VPS. With VPS 2.0, our visual positioning now works at a global scale with no prior scanning required. In places mapped with Scaniverse, VPS delivers near centimeter accurate 6-degree of freedom localization. Everywhere else, it corrects GPS errors and dropouts to provide improved, reliable positioning and heading, which is particularly valuable in GPS-degraded environments. So how do you apply these capabilities in the real world? With VPS 2.0, it keeps machines accurately localized when GPS falls short, so robots don't lose position indoors or in other GPS-degraded conditions. Scaniverse lets teams map complex sites with precision so people and machines operate with the same shared spatial model. In GPS-denied settings, VPS 2.0 provides dependable position and heading for mission-critical work. And finally, in large venues, Scaniverse and VPS powers seamless, location-aware guest experiences. So today I'm going to walk you through a little bit more about the value of Scaniverse and how it works. So Scaniverse is our front door to spatial computing. It starts with capturing data with regular phones or with commercially available 360 cameras, which removes the need to buy and invest in expensive hardware to capture the real world. These captures are then used to create photorealistic 3D reconstructions, as well as maps for visual-based localization. For enterprise teams, Scaniverse comes with privacy and scale built in. Your teams can collaborate on shared projects, they can merge multiple scans captured by different team members, and keeps maps current as physical sites evolve with the introduction of version controls. So now that I've given you a sense of what Scaniverse can do, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can use it. So getting started with Scaniverse is easy. Whether you're on web or on mobile, it's seamless. Sign up with your name and your email address. Make sure to opt in to receive our communications so you hear about all of our product updates. Once you're all signed up, you're able to name your organization, which is the place that you and your team will collaborate. Once your organization is ready to go, you can add your first private site. You name your private site using the location that you're hoping to capture. And once that's done, you're all ready to move over to mobile. When you're on mobile, make sure you sign up and sign in with the latest version of Scaniverse. Once you're logged in, you will see the sites that you have created on web. Here, you and your team can capture scans. When you're scanning, make sure you move your device evenly, move across the space that you're trying to capture in order to capture and align all of this into those VPS maps that you're going to create. Once your scans are available on your phone, make sure you upload them to the cloud. Once they're on the cloud, you and your teammates will be able to collaborate and see each other's scans. Once you've collected all your scans, you'll be ready to generate your VPS maps, meshes, and splats. Select the scans that you want to merge together and hit the Generate button. After some time, you'll be ready to view those assets. Here you can see the splat that was created. You can switch over to the mesh, all available on both mobile and web. We've also introduced the ability to upload 360 videos. On web, you can drag and drop your 360 videos, upload them to the cloud so your team can see it, and generate large area Gaussian splats right here in Scaniverse. As you're about to see, these large areas can now be collected really seamlessly with 360 cameras to provide these hyper photorealistic reconstructions of any space you want. So now that you've created your site, it's time to start building your applications. And this is seamless with NSDK 4.0. You can take those private maps, put them into your applications, and we support Swift, Unity, Kotlin, and we have an early ROS 2 support that we have released with our latest launches. All of this enables you to build high-performance mobile and robotic systems within your existing workflows. So make sure you go and download Scaniverse today, or visit scaniverse.nianticspatial.com to get started. And stay tuned, because later this year, we're going to be sharing more on our spatial foundation models for semantic scene understanding.